Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi magnifica espresso machine. It comes to us with an issue who was like giving the water from the wrong spot. The coffee, and it wasn't working well. It has cloggage, some cloggage in it was clogged from the spouts here, and a few many other spots. And this pro unit, the infuser was broken too, so I just replaced it with a new one. And I make it was a tune-up for the whole machine, a deep cleaning for the steam one, descale the machine twice, give it 2 cleaning cycles. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. We make the water less because I'm using a smaller cup. Okay, let's test the steamer. That takes a bit. Okay, and the hot water. And some steam in the system. Okay, the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching. That's all. Yeah, forget to also get clean the generator and replace the gasket in it. It is this one. Thank you for watching.